Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are unpacking Izingane Zesithembu. Now, last week, the first episode of season 3 of Izingane Zesithembu aired on Mzansi Magic at 7. Make sure that you don't lose. You don't miss out on the episode and you hold on the time. So listen. The first episode, we saw Uthiri, Umaitiri, having a conversation with her friend. You know, baby girl was like, Mucholo is missing me. She was also complaining about it distance. Sana, if you remember on like the previous episode, not previous episode, rather previous season, Uvuyokazi would complain about the same thing, that it distance between her and Umpumelelo. It's just it's a lot. Now that Umpumelelo stays in Joburg. At the time, Umpumelelo was staying in Joburg and Umpumelelo was spending more time with Utereteri and less time with Uvuyokazi because Uvuyokazi was in Cape Town. Now it seems like Uterelo took like a gap year, a break after having a child from school, and then it seems like Uterelo was now in the Free States. Is she from the Free States? I think she's from the Free States. And Usbindi Umpumelelo was full-time in KZN, seemingly. So, Tiri lana uyacomplaina ukuthi sana i-distance iyasinyisa emjolweni. And surprisingly, she does say she doesn't know why she's still in this relationship with this guy. And her friend is like, Yazin Utirelo akai ndawo. Utirelo loves Umpumza, okay, so much. And akahambi akai ndawo sanalam. So obviously this made me to just sideline with the rail. I'm like, ma'am, do you remember you advising of you guys? She must love herself. She must choose herself. She must do better for herself. Is this you? Is this you? Okay, once you just advising for you guys, it just moments ago, okay? Now your friend are looking at you with like a big sad line that you ain't going nowhere. Of which I believe the friend. I'm sorry, in this instance, I believe the friend. I believe you guys akai nda wo. Did I say Vyogazi? I'm so sorry. Oh, because Sam of Vyogazi will have to forgive us, guys, because for now we are still very much used to her being umuntu kasibindi, guys, and obviously the relationship didn't work out. But yeah, I'm referring to Uterelo. But anyways, okay, on this upcoming episode, we saw Usbindi Ipubesi having a conversation with his father and asking that he is ready to go and lobola, and he's thinking that he will go in 2 families at once. Sana. So guys, one thing that I can confirm here is that yes, Uterelo Nosbindi are definitely married, okay? And I think whatever drama that we're gonna see in the show is gonna be a bit scripted. Usbindi has indeed went and paid Lobola Kaboterelo, okay? Usbindi has went and paid Lobola Kaboterelo. And we saw even on the show when Usbindi was asking to see, or rather was asking Uterelo to organize her family because his family will be coming. So Lobola is one thing that has been paid for Uterelo, is out of question. But also we saw that Usbindi in this season also has paid Lobola for someone else who's yet to be revealed to us. And Usbindi la ukhuluma nobabakhe umseleki ukuthi he's ready to go and pay Lobola. So one thing that is unclear, or one thing that we just not sure about in this moment, is the fact that kahle kahle who is the first wife between uTerelo and the other girl, okay? But one thing that you must be sure of, ukuthi uSibindi has went and paid ilobola for uTerelo, okay? uTerelo is officially wife. I saw uTerelo posting something on Instagram like uya complain alisho ukuthi umjolo uyamisa nanani. I'm just like, this is a very much misleading post because she is indeed Mrs. Mseleko right now, okay? Mrs. Mseleko Jr. Sana. Mrs. Mseleko Jr. But also, guys, one thing that I would like to highlight is that just because a man will go to your home to pay lobola for you does not mean that he loves you. It doesn't. Sometimes it may just mean that because nawe ulana uyampressurize nani, and you know he wants to get you off his back kinda, then he will just go and do it. But does it means that he loves you? Absolutely not. It doesn't, okay? So with uTerelo, I'm not saying Usibindi just has publicly said it ukuthi uTerelo yisoja lakhe, you know, has told us ukuthi Terelo is my soldier. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I got distracted a bit. So yeah, as I was saying, that definitely Mpumelelo does like or loves uTerelo at some point. But does it mean now that because guys, says now that Mpumelelo have paid lobola for uTerelo, I don't know if it was like legit genuine, it's something that he was legit planning, or ufuna ukuspite somebody. Don't forget phela ukuthi Vuyokazi is still in the picture, not in the picture as if they are dating, in the picture as in she left me, so ngifuna ukumnyisa, I want this, I want that, you know, I wanna pay, you know. So I don't know if it's just pure intentions. It's what exactly Usibindi was planning to do towards uTerelo. But also, guys, in getting into a marriage rather while unyiswa umjolo, there is like a huge chance or percentage. Even when you are married or even after lobola, still the problems that were there emcholweni, they will now multiply. They will now multiply. So yes, we will say congratulations Terry, you are finally Mrs. Mseleko, as uTerelo told us that in season 1 she was girlfriend number 4. Yeah. uTerelo have manifested with this man, okay? Have seriously manifested, you know, from girlfriend to number 4 to wifey. To wifey, child, to wifey. So definitely this means that uTerelo has strongly manifested with this man. So obviously, me personally, I do wish them well and all that. But yeah, me personally, I also know Ugusi, just because now they are married, it does not mean Usibindi will stop, you know, being who he is, will stop looking and searching for other women, and you know, and having multiple other women in his life. He will not. He will still be fishing, and you will still be nyisad. Oh sada lalela umayeni ufuna ukuyoshabeni ayophola boshabeni abodirelo bona bayangena sana. Anyway, moving around to Usne Nhlanhla. Guys, you know, storylines kasne this season, I must say ukuthi mina siyangibhora, and I just gotta be honest, you know. So the whole storyline ukuthi Usne on the previous season washo ukuthi yena she doesn't really get along noMpilo, because uMpilo even if amvakashela uMpilo vele ifakela ama earphone engamnaki, you know, na ivele boreke egcine sephuma kubo ehamba, you know. So I think this season lana ke bayasho ukuthi Usne, I think everybody is like Usne mele hambe eyoxolisa noma eyokhuluma noMpilo nhle, yabona into kanjalo, so that they will be able to sort out their differences, right? And Usne in a way ngathi akafuni, of which I fully understand ukuthi yindaba. And I'm against ukuthi Usne ngathi uyaforced kanjena, like uyaphoqwa ukuthi exolise kumpilo, because I feel like this thing, even though like abantu abadala, because they feel like bayangenelela, because siyabona Macele is actually having a conversation no Sneh, and you will see on the other side uThobile is having a conversation noMpilo. I feel like nje indlela phela bayingenelela ngayo wrong on its own. USneh is an adult, okay? USneh umethi une problem noMpilo, and in a way her feelings are valid, ke guys, like honestly, you know, if she does say indeed uthi yena umevakashele uMpilo kubo, and Umpilo ufaka ama-earphone, because that's what I heard. Umpilo ufaka ama-earphone, ignore, zibe, engamxoxisi, nani, you know, and she said she have a problem with that, and which I feel like is something that needs to be addressed, you know. Usne noMpilo, you know, or perhaps here with the help yabantu abadala, of which they are already involved, uMacele noThobile, bekwazi ukuhlalisa kahle ingane phansi, even though they will be absent in their conversation, because you do not want, when people are having a conversation now, it will feel like it's influenced, you know. So that uSneh address kahle indaba ukuthi Impilo ngisake ngaya kini ayikawodwa ayikabili mhlawumbe kathathu, you get, ngakuthola ufaka ama-earphone kathi Impilo ngizokuvakashela, wena waqhubeka wayifakela ama-earphone awanganginaka. So, all that Impilo nayo will be given a chance ukuthi ekwazi explain ukuthi hawe mayazi weSneh mina nje ibo mhlawumbe nje wangithola nje noma nje vele mina nginjalo ke, oh yazi nje na ngiyaphuza ukujwayela umuntu, noma you know akwazi ukuyichazela noma ukuyi-explainela yena uMpilo self, you know, because uMacele na uthi no, because wena waronga uMpilo, so therefore mele uhambe uyoxolisa. And I was like, no, I am so sorry, ngiyazi guys ukuthi uSneh sometimes asimvisisi kahle, but leka Macele ukuthi mele hambe yoxolisa. I mean only after uMpilo is explaining ukuthi hayibo Sneh, oh ngeke uyangisukela nani, therefore sengaxolisa, because okwamanje angazi ukuthi uxoliselani. Meanwhile ke sana uThobile noMpilo bane picnic sana, a whole picnic ke sana. And I think they are also discussing lento lena, because uThobile uyabuza lana ukuthi kahle vele kwenzakalani yini wena noLontusana, wena noSneh, like kunenkinga yini, khona inkinga ekhona, like ekumele mhlawumbe ukuthi thina size singenelele, like kwenzakalani phakathi kwakho noSneh, you know. uMpilo uthi nje yena akanendaba futhi akafuni ukwazi, of which I feel like ku wrong ke guys, as much as ngingakamuzwa kahle ukuthi uThobile uzothini, I feel like ku wrong guys. uSneh more than anything, ngiyazi ukuthi uSneh uhlale wrong and all that, but more than anything uSneh usechazile inkinga yakhe. Useyichazile inkinga yakhe ukuthi unenkinga yokuthi uLontusana who's this girl uMpilonhle unokufaka ama-earphone umemvakashele, of which guys I understand ukuthi indaba abantu bevele beyidismiss kanjalo nje indaba kaSneh, you know, because uSneh ushilo ukuthi mina noMpilo asizwani kahle, and then wayichaza indaba further, you know, akavelanga nje athi hayi mina noMpilo uyangibhora nana, uchazile ukuthi uMpilo I understand ukuthi mhlambe maybe ke guys ngoba uSneh maybe she did not like choose her words wisely, because I think she also said ukuthi hayibo uMpilo unokusenza ngcono, uMpilo this, uMpilo that, and I'm like, babe, maybe you're not choosing your words wisely right now. But nonetheless uchazile ukuthi uMpilo more than anything wamthola efaka ama-earphone eyakubo uthi, and she does say ukuthi lento le yenzeka almost njalo, like constantly njalo nje noma uyobona uMpilo uthola uMpilo efakile ama-earphone engamnakile, right? Of which I feel like that then needs to be addressed. Then uSneh mele hlale noMpilo ethi Mpilo mina ngifula engathi wena uzenza ngcono this and that and that. And also guys, I understand ukuthi uSneh unama insecurities, especially because all her siblings are doing like well in their lives, you know, they are finishing school, they are graduating, they're getting jobs, this and that. So she does suffer those insecurities, and honestly no one is going to help her with those insecurities. uSneh is a public figure guys. uSneh is a public figure right now, you know, just like uThobile guys. uThobile, when we met her in season 1, she was like legit a nobody. She was working in one of Musa's businesses. I don't know what she was doing there, but she was assisting in one of Musa's businesses. But because she got exposure through uThando Nesithembu, uThobile is now a somebody, okay? She has made a name for herself. And I feel like Usne could also do the same. She could take an advantage of that. Now she's a public figure and she should start making a name for herself. She could just be just about anything, a public speaker, this and that, and she would make more money. I understand school is important and all that, but really nowadays, guys, school is not as important, okay? Nowadays, you don't need school to make it in life. You really don't. So this is why I'm like, okay, Usne cannot be living in a pity party. I'm sorry, Sne, we cannot pity you forever and ever. Sebesithi wena washonela umama nan noma singasithi ubaba wakho akakuthandisisi kahle nan. That's fine, Sne. That's totally okay. Kodwa nawe you are an adult right now and your father has given you an exposure, a push, okay? Now you yourself, Usne, you need to understand that, okay, now I'm a public figure. What do I do, to attract more revenue, to make more revenue as a public figure? Also, guys, one thing that I would like to touch on when it comes to Usne is the previous episode of uThando Nesithembu, whereby uMsebseleko revealed to us ukuthi Usne angazi noma kumele zolotsholwa noma nje kodwa nje indaba yayinelobolo phakathi into eyinelobolo phakathi. And I think Usne umusa I think wanqaba ukuthi abantu bese bezolobolobola Usne and I think washo ukuthi yena awekho amalobolo kaSne akazowa amukela noma akazowa accepta nan. And then lana ke useyambuza futhi uSne ukuthi hayibo Sne phela abantu bakho laba babethi bafuna ukukulobola, like yahamba kanjani indaba yenu? Yey wakwatani uSne wakwata, of which honestly I felt like she was done wrong. That's her storyline, okay? It is her storyline. And umusa ubengekho he was not within his rights ukuthi ezositshela storyline kaSne without permission kaSne, guys. And uSne umekwata, I felt like honestly she's being done wrong by umusa benomacele, because as much as umacele at first I could sense ukuthi she really doesn't want to talk much on it, indaba yaletha umusa, but ke umacele wesezothini indaba isiletha umusa. I honestly feel like she was done wrong. I honestly felt that she was done wrong. Umusa benomacele, they shouldn't have, they should not have spoken about ilobolo or anything that has to do with ilobolo. They should have waited Usne ukuthi esitshele, because the storyline is kaSne. Usne umefuna ukusitshela nkosami akasitshele, umengafuni akafuni, and that is fine. Kodwa ke guys, umusa futhi also wathi uSne mele hambe yoxolisa einganeni zakhe. Hey guys, mina angazi mhlawumbe into ukuthi ulontusana uSne wathi siya pretenda lana la. Official Sne bengaqamba guys, even ngisho uThando Nesithembu on their recent season we saw ukuthi ingeke guys kubi la ekhaya kahle kuyapretendolana vele la uSne ubeqinisile. So angazi ukuthi yindaba abantu bakamseleko befuna ukuthi into enjalo sinyathele zilale zingavuki. Usne efuna ukusitshela uSne, but ke uSne naye guys, she is within her rights ukuchoose ukuthi uyafuna na ukusazisa indaba zakhe zokulotsholwa noma akathandi ukusazisa. I honestly feel like she is well within her rights. Anyway, guys, this definitely does bring us to the end of the review. Now, guys, I feel like, what do you all think about Mpumelelo and Uterelo getting married? And then there is another new girl who is also getting married to Mpumza. And who, most importantly, the question that I should be asking here is, who do you think is the first wife? Do you think Umateritiri is the first wife? Halala Terelo? Or do you think the new girl is the first wife? Like, it would be so unfair if the new girl is the first wife. Hey guys, it would just be unfair. But anyway, uTirelo told us on the previous season ukuthi yena akanandaba nokuba u-first wife as long as ewu-wife. As long as ewu-wife ukuthi uwu-first noma uwu-second noma uwu-third, ayi shame akanandaba as long as kuno wife phakathi. Anyway guys, this definitely does bring us to the end of the review. If you do love and enjoy our reviews, I will see you on the next one, and of course I am bringing you more reviews. Till then, please do stay blessed and I love you.